In today's video, I'll show you guys how to play any hypervisor game after installing it. Launch the game through the desktop shortcut and select the S option. Select the one option over here and press one key in the keyboard and press enter. Press one key and restart your PC. I show you guys the process in my mobile. Press the one key in the keyboard and it will start restarting. When this startup settings page appear, you need to press the 7 key to disable driver signature enforcement. Once you completed the steps as shown in my mobile, launch the game through the desktop shortcut and select the yes option. Select number 2 option over here. Game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.